What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send large video files on WhatsApp, covering both Android and iOS devices. Ever found yourself struggling to share a high-quality video because it's too large? WhatsApp compresses video, which can significantly lower their quality. But don't worry, I've got a couple of easy solutions to help you maintain the quality without the hassle. For Android users, the workaround involves utilizing cloud storage. Google Drive is a convenient and commonly used option for this. First, ensure you have the Google Drive app installed on your device. If not, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Google Drive and download the app. Once installed, open Google Drive and tap on the plus button to upload the large video file. Navigate to your video. Select it and wait for the upload to complete. After the upload, find the video in your drive. Tap on the three dots next to it and then choose to copy the link. Now, all you need to do is paste this link in a WhatsApp message to the intended recipient. Remember to check the video's sharing settings to ensure it's viewable by the recipient. For iOS users, the approach is slightly different but equally straightforward. Instead of directly sending the video, you'll send it as a document to bypass WhatsApp's compression. First, find the video in your Photos app and tap on the Share icon. Choose Save to Files to save your video to the Files app. Then, open WhatsApp. Navigate to the chat where you want to send the video and tap on the plus icon. Select Document and find the video in your saved files. Even if it's a large file, this method allows you to send it as is, without losing quality. Both methods offer a reliable way to share large videos through WhatsApp without compromising on quality. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, you can now share your memories and moments in full clarity. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.